Namaskar and welcome, friends. Today we're going to be talking about a fresh new business plan that you can implement today and get rich. Well, this business plan talks about house managers. There is a new concept with the upper middle class and the elites. The concept of house manager. So, a house manager is someone who takes care of your entire property. For example, if you're living in a house or you have a farmhouse, that one particular person would take care of all the requirements of this house. Now, this person is responsible for fixing any maintenance work, getting the maids to work. Then you have drivers, plumbers, electricians, anyone that is required to maintain that particular house or that property. A house manager would take care of that. So the business plan is you become manager to a house manager. Let me just clear it out. There are certain pillars of our house that are required to stay in place for everyday work in our house to go out properly. For example, you have your maids coming in every day. There is a certain price at that they work that depends on your locality. You have plumbers. For example, there's a pipe breakdown or water leakage or anything that you want to get fixed through a plumber would come there. The problem with the entire process is that there are more than 10-15 people involved in maintaining your house in everyday activities. The major problem that arises because of that is you have to keep a separate contact number, a separate list of how you're going to get in touch with all of them. You would have numbers saved as electrician in your phone. For example, Raju electrician. But when you actually have an emergency and you give them a call, the Raju electrician would answer it by saying, "Sir, मैं तो गांव आ गया, मेरे घर पे वेडिंग थी, मैं गांव आ गया." अब रात को व्हेन यू वांट योर प्रॉब्लम टू बी फिक्स, दैट पर्टिकुलर राजू इलेक्ट्रिशियन इज नॉट अवेलेबल. Then what do? What if one person or an app had all the contacts that are supplied to you daily? This is not like your urban dash. This is very different from your that particular app. So you have to gather all the resources based on the locality. Of course, it is tough. It is never simple. It is never easy. It is simple, but then it is not easy. You have to get in touch with particular society and the people that are working there. Now when you contact a maid or a driver or a plumber or an electrician or any shopkeeper of a particular area, the most important thing is money, right? They all want to work for money, everyone wants to work for money. Now how do you get across to them and make them understand that you are creating an app and they're going to get regular work? All they have to do is get verified, maybe by police or the society, which is already there. You don't have to do anything new about it. And you have a pool of resources based on the locality, and you can provide these services to your end customer based on a subscription. Let me again try and simplify it a bit. So you're going to be working on an app that has particular services listed in it. For example, there is a maid service listed in your app. Now there are different prices for different things that a maid would do. For example, jhadu pocha is one thing, then bartan is another thing, then cleaning the toilets is another thing, dusting is another thing, washing your clothes is another thing. So there could be a checklist of things. If you want to get this done, you have to check this. There is a certain price for this. If you want this done, then there is an additional price for this. If you want this done, then there is an additional price for this. Now, if you're paying 100 rupees for jhadu pocha and another 25 for bartan and another 35 for dusting, another 50 for your bathroom maintenance, so according to that, your particular package could be decided. Now, I am talking about having a pool of drivers with the similar kind of service. Your car cleaners. There is a problem with car cleaners every day. They do not clean your car from the inside. They would blatantly tell you that I will do it once a week or maybe twice a week. So, working once a week or twice a week is not something that you want. For example, I am okay with my car being cleaned from the inside properly once a week. But then there are people who have meetings, who have, who have little kids who, dirty the car all the time. They would spread chips over the car. तो उन लोगों को रोज़ कार साफ़ करवाने का प्रेफरेबल है. So there is a different price for the time that the cleaner spends on your car, right? If he's spending 10 minutes of just taking a कपड़ा गाड़ी को ऊपर से गीला करके साफ करना, there is a certain price for that. Then cleaning it 5 times a week from the inside, obviously it is going to take 20-25 minutes more, so that is going to cost you more. This is how the app could be made. Okay, I'm just giving you an idea here. So the I cannot put the money in your bank directly. You have to work for it. This is just a simple idea. Now, why would this work? The number one point is, why would this work, and why would people join you? Number one point, the shop owners. For example, an electrician usually is associated to a shop owner. Your society's gate, one particular gate of the society, has all the contacts of maids, plumbers, and everyone. Even plumbers are associated to shopkeepers. You could have tie-ups with those shops at one. You could have tie-up with those shops in the first place. Then you could take out all the details from your gatekeeper, and obviously for a price. And then the services that you offer to a society could be a mix of all these people helping out carrying your daily activity for a month. Now, the subscription could be a minimum of 10,000 to 30,000 depending on your locality and how the services that people choose are priced. Obviously, there has to be a deeper thinking and a think tank for all of the pricing and services that are going to be involved. But you can first consult the shopkeepers, get the data from the gates, and have a list where you can find people to interact and make them understand how and why this would work. The second important point in this would be money. Money is the biggest motivator for this particular strata of the society. पैसा जब मिलेगा तो सब काम करने के लिए रेडी होते हैं. अभी अगर एक मेड को वी आर गिविंग अराउंड 3,000 रुपीज़, इफ़ यू ऑफर अ 4,000, शी विल बी वेरी हैप्पी एंड टेक दैट ऑफर. इस तरीके से what you are doing is that you're ensuring that these people are getting more money, and obviously they would have more resources after that, and they would continue to be loyal and they would start working for you. Once, this would take me to my third point, once they realize that there is continuity and reliability and trust with your organization, the process would keep on continuing. The customers would also know that अगर एक मेड गांव गई है तो दूसरी मेड उसकी जगह बिना बोले आ जाएगी. You do not have to burden a customer with the fact that one particular maid is going to a village. आपको directly उसको replace करके you have to send someone else. If there is any concern or any problem with a particular maid, the customer can directly get in touch with the customer care, where you can take care of that particular problem. So when there is regular work, people would be happy to join you and stay connected to you as well. They know I don't have to go to a new house. I don't have to haggle for the prices again. Again, every maid or every driver or every plumber, when they come to your house, they have to haggle for it. That is the truth of Indian middle class, even the elites and even the house managers. So everyone would haggle for a price. Which brings us to the next point, the next uh, part of the business plan, as to why would customers pay for it. So number one point would be that people who are living abroad or living away from their parents who are getting older, they are not very savvy technically. They do not know how to use a lot of apps in the phone. They need to understand, you have to sit with them and make them understand how to operate a phone or anything. तो उनके लिए this is going to be very easy. Plus होता क्या है ना कि now people who are working like you and me, we know what are the prices in the market. अगर आपके घर एक मेड आ रही है या लेबर आ रही है या आपको मार्केट जाना है या बाहर जाना है, आपको पता है कि आजकल किसी चीज़ का प्राइस कम नहीं है. But your parents belong to a generation where prices were pretty balanced, but now they're not. So when they start haggling with maids and the drivers and the electrician, जितना भी helping staff है, जब वो haggle करेंगे उनके साथ, तो staff gets irritated nowadays, and there is a network of maids, there is a network of these people, the helping staff. Uh, I do not mean to, it is not a derogatory statement, but then yes, this is the lower class of our society, and they have a network where they talk to each other. अब उनकी कॉन्वर्सेशंस कैसी होती हैं कि वो 304 वाली जो शर्मा जी हैं, दिस इज जस्ट एन एग्जांपल ऑन द लाइट नोट, वो बहुत मच मच करती हैं. वो उनको 2 रुपये फालतू खर्चने में भी प्रॉब्लम है. हम तो नहीं जाते उसके घर. सो वंस योर नेम इज आउट देयर इन द सर्कल एंड यू हैगल्ड फॉर अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ प्राइस, नो वन इज रेडी टू कम टू योर हाउस एंड वर्क फॉर यू. दिस इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम्स that our society faces right now with the helpers. So this first problem can be resolved by this. You are taking care of your parents, you're staying away from them, so you can get a subscription for them, which could be around 10 to 15,000 based on your requirements, their requirements, and they do not have to discuss price. They do not have to talk shop. पूरा प्रॉब्लम ऐसे ही सॉल्व हो जाएगा इस वाले केस में. विद दिस आई कम टू माई सेकेंड पॉइंट, विच इज़ अगेन प्राइस हैगलिंग. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई कॉल राजू इलेक्ट्रिशियन, वही जो गांव गया हुआ था, ही केम बैक, मैंने उसको दोबारा बुलाया. ऑल्सो दिस इज जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल. तो राजू इलेक्ट्रिशियन आया, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन मेरे घर की पावर कट हो गया था, एंड आई कॉल्ड हिम ओवर एंड आई आस्क्ड हिम कि राजू भैया देखना क्या प्रॉब्लम हुआ है. तो राजू भैया ओपन द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बॉक्स विद हिज स्क्रू एंड स्टार्टेड यूजिंग अ टेस्टर, एंड पूरे घर में इधर उधर टेस्टर लगा के ही टोल्ड मी कि सर आपका जो मीटर है मैं वहाँ जाकर आता हूँ. 10 मिनट उसने मुझे वेट कराया. अच्छे से गर्मी लग रही थी, पसीने आ रहे थे. माई वाइफ एंड किड्स वर ऑल्सो स्वेटी. तो वो 10 मिनट जो थे बड़े एनजाइटी वाले थे, बिकॉज आई नो कि अभी कोई कहानी आएगी. तो राजू इलेक्ट्रिशियन जी ऊपर आए एंड ही सेड कि सर आपकी जो वायरिंग है दैट इज़ एल्यूमिनियम, और एल्यूमिनियम बहुत जल्दी जल जाता है, तो पूरी वायरिंग चेंज होगी. तो आई आस्क्ड हिम कितना खर्चा आएगा, कितनी तार लगेगी. सो ही वुड यूज़ अ रैंडम नंबर, मे बी 40 मीटर्स ऑफ तार एट द रेट 108 रुपीज़ पर मीटर प्लस 2,000 रुपये लेबर. तो बैठे बैठे आपका 7 से 8,000 रुपये का खर्चा राजू इलेक्ट्रिशियन ने करा दिया. बट एज सून एज यू टेल द राजू इलेक्ट्रिशियन कि यार राजू मैं तो किराएदार हूँ, मैं मकान मालिक थोड़ी ना हूँ, मुझे तो अप्रूवल लेना पड़ेगा इस चीज़ के लिए. देन राजू इलेक्ट्रिशियन काम्स डाउन एंड हिज टोन चेंजेस एंड ही सेज कि जो काम आ रहा है वो तो आने दो, जो पैसे आ रहे हैं वो तो आने दो, इसको क्यों ख़राब करें. देन ही टेल्स मी कि कोई नहीं सर, आप अगर नहीं हो हाउस ओनर तो कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपको ऐसे ही ठीक करके दे देता हूँ. देन ही स्टार्ट्स रीवायरिंग हेयर एंड देयर, टेक्स अनदर 10 मिनट्स एंड सेज सर हो गया, लाइट जला लीजिए, बस थोड़ा ध्यान रखिएगा कि यहाँ पे लोड जो है इधर से उधर से, एसी चल रहा है तो माइक्रोवेव मत चलाइए, माइक्रोवेव चल रहा है तो एसी मत चलाइए, वॉशिंग मशीन मत चलाइए, इकट्ठे लोड मत डालिए. एंड द राजू इलेक्ट्रिशियन टू 400 रुपीज़. क्या कैन यू रेजोनेट विद दिस? क्या आप इसको फील कर रहे हैं? आपके साथ ऐसा होता है? कभी आपने ये अपने घर में देखा है? सो दिस इज़ नॉट ओनली विद राजू भैया, दिस इज़ विद प्लम्बर्स एज वेल. एनी वन हु इज़ गोना गिव यू सर्विसेज इज़ गोना डू दिस टू यू. इसीलिए ये जो प्राइस हैगलिंग का इशू है ना, दिस हैज़ टू बी रिमूव फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी. क्योंकि आपको रेट पता नहीं है, सामने वाले को पता है कि आपको रेट नहीं पता, तो कुछ भी रेट लगा के बैठे हैं. देन देर आर अंकल्स, आप पेरेंट्स जो अपने हाथ से घर बनाते थे, मिट्टी का रेट, बदरी का रेट. यू हैव पीपल हु नो इंचिंग ऑफ द प्लम्बिंग पाइप्स, उसका क्या प्राइसेस है, ईंट कितने की आती है, लेबर कितने की आती है, लेबर 1 से 2 के बीच में सोती है. तो ये सब चीज़ें अब हम लोगों को नहीं पता. हम लोग, आई मीन people who are above 25 to 40, people above 40 would have certain idea of it, but then they would not like to get into the intricacies of those, because इतना पैसा आप बचा नहीं रहे हो जितना आप एफर्ट डाल रहे हो. भाई, देर इज़ अ प्राइस टू योर इमोशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स एंड द काइंड ऑफ ब्रेन दैट यू यूज फॉर दैट. आपका ब्रेन जूस अगर इसी में निकल गया, देन हाउ वुड यू बी प्रोडक्टिव. शर्मा जी ने 10 रुपये बचाए, उसके लिए आधा घंटा ख़राब करा, अपना टाइम वेस्ट करा, ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ाया, इतनी बहस करी उसके साथ, बट देन देर इज़ नो आउटकम. 10 रुपये बचाने के लिए क्यों? दिस वॉज एब्सोल्युटली इराडिकेट द इशू ऑफ हैगलिंग फ्रॉम द इंडियन सोसाइटी. Obviously slowly, but it would happen. And another important point that I want to make now is understanding why this is different from your Urban Dash. I hope you understand what kind of app that is. So in Urban Dash, you have to open the app, you have to get in touch with a particular service provider, and you have to schedule everything for that. Now, if you have a plumber or a guy who's coming in for your AC repair, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल गर्मी आई हैं तो एसी की सर्विस लोग कराएंगे, तो उस आदमी से आपको कोऑर्डिनेट करना पड़ता है. एंड obviously he's going to come from some other location close to your house only, some other location, but आपको उसको समझाना पड़ेगा कहाँ से आना है, कैसे आना है. So that takes up another 3-4 calls. And understand that people that I'm talking about, upper middle class and elites, they have no time for such things. They would not want to spend a free phone call on trying to explain the location of the house. वो तो करना पड़ता है तो करते हैं, नहीं तो किसी का करने का मन नहीं करता. कॉल आएगा, मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ, भाई दिमाग लगा ले, आजा. नहीं, यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन इट टू हिम कि कहाँ से आना है, कैसे आना है. नाउ sometimes I understand, if a rider is new and they don't know the area, that is okay. But then every time that you order something from a Zepto or a Blinkit or a Swiggy, answering the calls becomes a pain. Do you resonate with this issue? आपको लगता है कि do elites actually do this, or someone else does this for them? If you give them an option, they would take it in a heartbeat. मुझे टेंशन नहीं लेनी है, ये छोटे वैल्यू के जो डिसीजंस हैं, आई डू नॉट वांट टू मेक देम, बिकॉज माई माइंड वुड फोकस ऑन समथिंग दैट इज़ बिगर. मैं पैसा कमाने का सोचूंगा, तुम उड़ाने का सोचो, लेकिन मुझे ये बेकार की चीज़ें मत करने को बोलो. दिस इज़ द मेंटालिटी ऑफ द एलीट्स. दे वुड नॉट वेस्ट देयर टाइम विद दिस. I understand they're humble, they're ground to earth also. There are different kinds of people. लेकिन हाँ, in fact, why this model and the system would work is because no one wants to spend their time like that. अगर आपको भी ऑप्शन मिले ना कि आपके लिए ये सब कुछ कोई और कर दे, तो आप भी कभी खुद नहीं करेंगे. So this is the business plan that we've discussed. Now obviously it needs more fine tuning, it needs more probabilities, pros and cons, and we could add more services to it, जैसे एयर कंडीशनिंग, ट्यूशन, जैसे देयर इज़ एन ऐप कॉल्ड माई गेट. उसके अंदर देर आर सोसाइटी मेंबर्स जो अपना लिखते रहते हैं कि हम खाना बनाते हैं, हमारा टेंटिंग का काम है, हमारा टूर्स एंड ट्रैवल का काम है. एक स्पेशलाइज काम और है आज की डेट में, विच इज़ योर डेडिकेटेड रिलीजियस टूरिज्म. There are a lot of business options that you have there in the market right now. What you need to understand is that people who know the value of money know कि पैसा सिर्फ काम कराने के आ सकता है यूज. I'll try and rephrase it. People who know the value of money know its worth because of the stress that it can take off low value decisions. This is something that only elites and upper middle class understands, because you have 100%. Just try and understand. अगर आपका ब्रेन 100% है, there are, your family takes up 15%, your work takes up 50%, 10-12 चीज़ें अपनी हॉबी ये वो, it takes up 85 to 90%. 10% of your brain needs to be empty. अगर यही सब चीज़ें, if they start taking the remaining 10% of the brain, you will lose your sanity. This is why rich people understand the value of money and know that their money can get the work done, and that is why they become even richer. This is the basic point of this entire video. क्या आपको ये वीडियो समझ में आया? अगर मैं एक्सप्लेन करने में कामयाब हो पाया हूँ, क्या आपको इसमें कोई कन्फ्यूजन है? कैन वी क्रिएट अ पूल ऑफ नॉलेज इन आर कमेंट सेक्शन? कैन वी हैव a few likes? Can we have few subscribes? More of such content will come in this channel. We'll talk about different kinds of businesses, different kinds of startups, different kinds of schemes to make us rich basically. So the entire point of this video is to give you a little mental massage, or not exactly mental masturbation, just a little mental massage, so that you can open up the pores of your imagination. The limits are endless with this. Thank you for watching the video. May you always stay blessed.